Hey guys, good morning. Madam Matong Pongin, morning na. Koi. Koi kaki fari ha tu mita. Alfa kuchim ya anena. Pia hau ki heno hau ki tahin o fai tu ai ko ki po kofi ai mo sio ki tahi. Sio ai ki tahi, eh? Pia ya koi vai ya tu pe, you know, mo hanga lau ka ne a tau tau honga ia e mana wa. Hey, and speaking of Manava, it's a reminder. It's a reminder about the Tokanga. Yeah, kako Manava oko. It's more than you know. Oku yai ngahi mea oku mahu inga abito ihe Manava. Simple, practical thing that you can do with your family, with your kids, with Momo Kauwai that you guys can do. Manava, it's very important to our life. Eh? Apart from I'm telling you right now, breath awareness, it's what you should do. You know, you think about breath awareness, you will you will start to embody the idea that Manava is very important. But when we talk about Manava, we also talk about the importance of Manava and all that. You guys know that. But it's more than that. It's more than that in terms of your physiology and in terms of your homopsychological model. So please, you do your morning rituals and go Manava Tapu if you have been follow the Manava Tapu. But underneath all that, it's all about the vitality, the importance of Manava. Because Manava is life. Yeah. Kaya koko auki holo for us behind me got here. Go ahead, Okay. Amazing. Anyway guys, ko fat kamudo. Okay mo ma Lelei ahon. Bye.